Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, it's right over here. Once you locate your toggle, the first time around, you will want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can then tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot and customize the settings. Now, truth be told, you don't really need to change much in here. What I recommend changing is, if you want to, you can change the name of the hotspot. This is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that it will create. So you can shorten it or completely change it. It's absolutely up to you. Oh my god, come on. There we go. So I just shortened it, and another thing that you want to do, or basically needs to do, is check the hotspot password. Now you can change it, which is what I would recommend doing, but if you don't want to, you can use the default generated one, but as you can see, it is just randomly generated, so it's not easy to remember. And I recommend just absolutely removing this one and setting your own. Now the password does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. And that's all the things I really recommend changing. Anything else you can change if you know what it is. If you don't, I probably recommend you not to touch it. This will ensure that your hotspot will work basically every time you actually need it. If you change, for instance, something like a AP band, so right here, if we disable this, or actually it uses both of them at the same time, so that's neat, kind of removes the problem. But you could, for instance, turn off the visibility of the hotspot, and you would have to add it manually. So, as you can kind of hear, there's some settings in here that might kind of break the hotspot experience for people that aren't sure what to do. Anyway, once you went to the settings and customize it, all you need to do now is tap on the toggle. And there we go. It is right now running, and you can connect to it. Now once you're done with the hotspot, you probably want to remember to turn it off. So you just tap on it once again to disable it. But I believe there was also timeout setting, yep, right here, which allows you to set up a timer. So after, I guess, default 10 minutes of inactivity, it will turn off the hotspot automatically on its own. So I do recommend turning it off manually, but if you forget about it, don't worry, the phone will do it for you. And the reason for turning it off is it does consume more of your battery, and additionally it obviously uses your mobile network, so you might want to limit that. Anyway, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.